Okay, see what is given. The question is, which is greater? We have to tell which is greater. Okay, which is greater, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8? तो यानी ये वाला पार्ट ग्रेटर है या ये वाला पार्ट ग्रेटर है, वो हमको चेक करना है. ओके, सो नाउ हाउ वी विल डू दिस? हाउ वी विल डू दिस? यस, ऑफ का मीनिंग क्या होता है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ऑफ? बोर्ड मास में देखा है हमने. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ऑफ? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ऑफ? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ऑफ?
Sir, of means into multiple.
Of means multiplication. Okay, so what we will do here, Yuvraj?
Sir, first we will take LCM of 7, 4, 5, 8.
7458? It is wrong beta. ऑफ के जगह पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन लिखो पहले.
Sir, 7 and 4, LCM of 7.
We don't take LCM here. Multiplication sign is there. We take LCM when there is plus minus sign in between. Okay. यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन है. अभी पिछला क्वेश्चन पूरा मल्टीप्लीकेशन का ही तो किया था हमने. हाँ, so how we do the multiplication?
3
Numer
to the 6.
correct.
7 for the 28.
7 4 the 28. Okay,
2
and
3 the
here
6. For simplification.
okay, simplification 3 by 14.
1 by 4.
3 by
14.
14.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
5
here
into 3.
15.
15.
हाँ.
40.
3 by 8.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो अभी हमारे दो फ्रैक्शन क्या है? 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. Now which type of fractions are this? These two are unlike fractions. These two are unlike fractions. So first we will convert them to like fractions, then we will compare them. Which one is greater and which one is smaller? So tell me, what is the LCM of 14 and 8 now? LCM of denominator. 56 will be the LCM. Okay, 56 will be the LCM. तो अभी देखो, 3 by 14 is my first fraction and second fraction is what? 3 by 8. तो ये 14 को मुझे 56 बनाना है, तो आई विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4. डिनोमिनेटर को 4 से किया है तो न्यूमरेटर को भी 4 से ही करना पड़ेगा. Here to this 8 I will make as 56. So मुझे 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. डिनोमिनेटर को 7 से किया है तो न्यूमरेटर को भी 7 से. Now what it is? 12 divided by 56 and 21 divided by 56. Now tell me, denominator is same. Which one is greater?
21 by 56, 3 by 8.
Okay, this one is greater. Okay, और ये fraction किसका है? ये fraction किसका है? ये 3 by 8 का है. Okay, that means 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. अब ये 3 by 8 कहाँ से बना है? ये term से बना है ना? So what we can write? 3 by 5 multi of लिखो, of 5 by 8. It is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. This is the final answer. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Is it clear to you? Everyone, is it clear to you? Okay, we will see one more example, then it will be more clear again. Okay. Darshana Khandelwal will try this. Yes.
Yes. 1 by 2 multi. Sir, first we will convert off into multiplication.
Okay.
1 by 2 multiply by 6 by 7.
Hmm.
Or 2 by 3 multiply by 3 by 7.
Okay.
Uh,
Next.
Sir, there are 6 by 14 or 6 by 21.
Okay. Can we reduce this to simplest form?
6 by 21. Yes, sir.
Huh.
Hmm. So now we will take their, sir, they are in, they are like fractions. So now we will check that which is greater. So sir, 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7.
Now, how is 3 by 7 formed? It is formed from 1 by 2
6, 1
of
by 2. Or
6.
6 by 7.
So it is
Or
greater than.
2 by 3 of 3 by 7.
This is the final answer. Mute yourself. See, whenever you are sitting for the session, na, see that you are at the quiet place. Okay. Whenever you are sitting for the session. अभी अभी दर्शना के केस में कितना नॉइस आ रहा था आजू बाजू के सराउंडिंग का. So see, you are sitting in the quiet place. Okay. Next question. Next question. Which is greater? Okay, who will try this? Yash Bhalekar will try this. Okay. Yash Bhalekar. Yash Bhalekar.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, first 15 by 14 or 70 by 245.
Tell me stepwise. Tell me
Sir,
stepwise.
3 by 2 or
हाँ.
5 by 7.
Of
3
का
into
meaning
5
क्या है?
in
Multiplication.
multiplication.
Okay.
5 by 7. 5 3 is 15. 7 to 14. 15 by 14.
हाँ. Next.
15 by 14 or
15 by 14. Okay.
70 by 245.
See, we can cancel something here, huh? 15 by
Yes.
14 and 7 by 35. So 7 ones are and 7 twos are. 5 ones are, 5 sevens are. So ultimately what we got? 2 by 7 we
2
got.
by 7.
Okay. So now we have
7. Sir,
one
14 is the LCM.
LCM of denominator is what? 14.
14.
It is equal to 14.
15.
Huh.
14.
So 15 by 14
That
multiply by 1.
14 is
Already 14
1
is.
star.
Huh. And here multiply by
That
2. Okay. So what we will
2.
get here? 15 by
Yes.
14 and here 4 by
And
14. Now
4
see,
by 14. 15. 15 by 14 is bigger.
so this one is greater. Okay. So what we can say then? 3 by 2
2
of
of
5 by
5 by
6.
7
It is greater than.
7 greater than 5 by 7 of 14 by 30. 14 by 35.
That's it. This is the answer. Okay. Yes, Kalash. I have not multiplied in anyone. I have just cancelled and all the answers are right. Okay, okay. No problem. Okay, Lakshmi Nivas Zawar will give the next answer. Okay. Lakshmi Nivas Zawar will give the next answer. See, the surrounding noise should not come, huh? Because it disturbs others also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 5. बोलो क्या करना?
1/2. Find the following. We have to, sir. In this question we have to find the half of 24th and 26th. So, sir, first we will write first one. Half of 24 is equals to 1/2 multiplied by 24/1.
So 24 by 2, what it comes? 12. Yes or no?
Sir, 12. Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about
So,
second
sir,
one?
half of 12. 24. And second one we have to do same. But first we have to write 1/2 or half of 26 is equals to half 1 by 2 multiplied by 26 is equals to 26/2 is equals to 30.
That's it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mute yourself. Next question. Next one. Okay, Vaishnavi will give the answer. Vaishnavi Navnath Wagmare.
Yes, sir. 2 by 3 of 18
2 by 3 of 18
is equal to 2 by 3 into 18.
is equal to 2 by 3 into 18. Correct. Next.
36/3.
Correct. So what it comes?
3 ones are 3 12s are.
Correct. So 12 is the answer. Second one, what is the answer?
2 by 3 of 27
Okay. So what it will come?
is equal to 2 by 3 into 27.
What?
54/3.
So what it comes? 54/3. 18. It will come.
Yes.
18. Okay. Mute yourself. Okay, next one. See, only the regular students, they raise their hand. What about others? Others don't feel to give the answer. Which was 46, Palak? What was 46? Palak.
Yes, sir. Sir, the first sum was 1 by 2 of, first one was 24 and second one was 46.
Here it was 46.
Yes, sir.
ओके फाइन, तो ये अगर 46 होगा तो यहाँ पे 46 आ जाएगा,
23.
यहाँ पे भी 46 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे 46 आ जाएगा and answer will come 23. Okay.
23.
Make the corrections. In first one, there is a correction. It was not 26, it was 46. Okay. Okay. Next one. 3 by 4 of 16 and 36. Who wants to try this? Sir, in this question, I have cancelled only. Okay, no problem, Kalash. You can cancel the numerator and denominator terms if it is cancelling. Okay, who will try this? Shravani thing will try this. Okay. Shravan.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, first we will write 3 by 4
Hmm.
of 16
Okay,
is equal to 3 by 4 into 16, which is
correct.
equal to 48 by 4,
So what it comes?
12.
Correct. Next.
Next, again, that same we will write 3 by 4 of 36, which is equal to 3 into 36
Uh,
by 4. 3 by 4 into 36.
So what it will come?
108.
108 divided by 4.
108 by 4.
Okay.
4.
So what will be the final answer then?
24.
24. Please check it again.
Yes, sir, my answer. Wait a minute, sir. 4. 27. 27.
27 is the right answer. Okay.
Yes, sir. So actually, I was not carrying that, so it came wrong. Sorry.
Okay.
So first one answer is 12 and second one answer is 27.
Correct. Okay. Turn off the mic.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next one. Gauri Lohia will try next one. Gauri Lohia. Gauri Lohia. New.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes. 4 by 5 of 20.
Hmm. Okay. So what will be the next step?
5 by 20.
Huh?
4 by 5
Huh.
by 20.
What it will come then?
80 by 5.
Hmm. So what is 80 by 5?
40.
40.
16. 4 by 5 by 35
Huh.
equals to 4 by 5 by 35.
It's not by beta. It is multiplied. 4 by 5 multiplied by 35.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Huh.
Equals to
5 multiplied by 35.
140 multiplied by 5. It will come 28. Okay. Yes, if you cancel the terms of numerator and denominator, then also you will get the final answer as same only. Okay. Then also you will get the final answer as same. Okay, next one. Now division started. Division. See the rules of division. I will give you 1 minute. Check the rules of division which you have written in your CW. Check the rules. Go through the rules. Please read the rules of division. Just read it once. Okay, Siddhi, first one.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, there is no denominator of 12, so we will write 12 by 1 multiplied by 3 by 4.
Okay, we will increase one step. Na? 12 by 1 divided by 3 by 4. Now tell the next step.
12 by 1 multiplied by 3 by 4.
4 by 3 it will become now. Reciprocal. Division के साइन के बाद जो भी टर्म होता है उसका रेसिप्रोकल करते हैं हम लोग. डिवीजन के रूल्स में लिखा है देखो. So this will become 4 by 3. And now do the multiplications. What it will come?
12 4s are 46.
12 4s is 48
48.
divided by 3. How much it comes? 16.
16.
Okay. डिवीजन के बाद जो भी नंबर होगा या फिर जो भी फ्रैक्शन होगा, जस्ट डू द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दैट एंड पुट द मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन इन प्लेस ऑफ डिवीजन. ओके, only these two things you keep this in mind, you can solve any problem of division. Okay, next one. Om Jadhav will try this. Om Jadhav.
Sir, 14 by 1 divided by 5 by 6.
14 by 1 divided by 5 by 6. Correct. Okay. Next.
Sir, next step is 14 by 1 multiplied by 6 by 5.
मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6 by 5. डिवीजन के बाद जो भी नंबर है उसका रेसिप्रोकल करना है. हाँ, नाउ नेक्स्ट. 14 6
Yes, sir. 14, sir, 1 minute. 14, 14, 15. Sir, 84 by 5.
84 by 5 is the answer. Okay, next one. Okay, Pratishta Jain will try this. Pratishta Jain.
Sir, first we will write 8 upon 1 divided by 7 upon 3.
Okay.
Then we will write 8 upon 1 multiplied by 3 upon 7.
Okay, correct. Next.
Then 24 upon 7.
Okay, correct. This is the final answer. Still there is time, Vaishnavi. We are having 12 minutes. उसके बाद आपका सेशन एंड होगा. अभी 12 minutes बाकी है और. So pay attention here on the session, not on the time. Next, Ishan Darak will give the answer. Ishan Darak. Ishan Darak will give the answer. Ishan, speak up. Ishan, can you hear me? Ishan.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो आंसर बोलो.
Sir, 4 by 1
हाँ
divided by 8 by 3.
हाँ.
Sir, 4 by 1 multiplied by 3 by 8.
Correct. हाँ. So it will come
32 by 3.
32. 4 3s is how much?
Sorry, sir. 12 by 8.
So can we reduce this to the simplest form?
Yes, sir.
What it will come then?
Sir, 3 by 2.
3 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Mute yourself. Next. Next question. Next, who will try? Vishwajit Devda will try this. Vishwajit Devda.
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
Sir, write 3
Hmm.
7 upon 1 divisible by 7 upon 1.
Divisible by what you said?
Divide by 7 upon 1.
Divide by 7 upon 1 आएगा या 3 आएगा? ये
3
मिक्स
3
ये मिक्स फ्रैक्शन का कन्वर्जन क्या आएगा? 7 upon 3 आएगा.
3.
Okay. Now next step.
Reciprocal 3 upon 7.
Okay. So what it will come then? Next step.
9 upon 7.
Okay. Correct. Mute yourself. Okay. Anushka will give the next answer. Anushka Andade.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 5
Hmm.
by 1
Hmm.
divided by 21 by 9. 25 by 7.
Correct. Next, what we will do?
7 by 25 into 7 by 25.
5 by 1 into 7 by 25.
Yes, sir.
Next.
35 by 25.
Reduce this to the simplest form.
Sir, give me.
Divide by 5 to numerator and denominator. What it will come? 7 by 5. Okay. 7 by 5 is the final answer. Mute yourself. Next. Next. Okay, Palak Jain will try this.
Yes, sir. Sir, first we will convert it into unlike fraction, that is 19 by 5
Beta,
divided by
wait. Always mixed fractions are converted to improper fraction, not unlike fraction. Okay. Mixed fractions are
Yes, sir.
converted to improper fraction. Bolo abhi.
Yes, sir. Sir, so it will 19 by 5 divided by 15 by 4.
Okay. Next step.
Sir, then we will make the reciprocal of the another number.
Okay. So 19 by 5 multiplied by 4
Multiplied by 4 by 15.
So what it will come?
So answer will come first 19 into 4 is 76.
Okay.
And 15 into 5 into 15 is 75.
Okay. This is the answer.
Yes.
Okay. Now Anshuman Engle has asked me something. Mute yourself, Palak. Anshuman. अंशुमन इंगले, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आपका क्वेश्चन सही है। अभी उन्होंने क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा है, लिसन एवरीवन। This is what? This is mixed fraction. This is also mixed fraction. So mixed fraction divided by mixed fraction. Okay. तो final answer भी mixed fraction में लिखना चाहिए क्या? We can write it. If you write this answer also, it is correct. And if you convert this, so what it will become? 175. Like this, it will come in terms of mixed fraction. If you want the answer in mixed fraction also, you can write it. Otherwise, this is also okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next one. Next. We'll try next. Okay, Arya Mirkad will try the next one.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So 2 by 5 is in mixed fraction. So we will convert in improper fraction. Then
Correct.
it will be 12 by 5.
Okay.
And 2 by 3 is also in mixed fraction. Their improper fraction will be 3 upon 11.
Please check it
Then we
again.
will multiply
Please check the improper fraction which you said for this. What it will come?
11 upon 3. Sorry. Sir,
Huh.
I reciprocated it.
Now do the
Then
rest.
12 by 5 into 3 by 11. Then the multiplication will be 36 by 55. It cannot be in the simplest form. So the answer is 36 by 55.
And now convert this into mixed fraction, beta. We will write the answer in improper fraction also and mixed fraction also. No, we cannot we cannot convert because this is a proper fraction. For improper
Yes,
fraction only we can convert. So this is the final answer. This is the final
sir.
answer. Okay. Next one. Next one. Only 2 minutes are remaining. Okay, Shravani Thing will give the answer. What
Yes,
is?
sir. The question is find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocals as proper fraction, improper fraction, and whole numbers. So the reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3, and it is an improper fraction.
3 by 7, which is equal to 7 by 3.
7
And
by 3,
it
which
is a
improper fraction.
okay. In this way, you will write the answer. And it
Yes,
is
sir.
a improper fraction. Why it is improper, beta?
Sir, because there are terms in improper fraction like the numerator should be greater than the denominator, and in proper fraction the numerator should be smaller than the denominator. But in this reciprocal, 7 by 3, 7 is greater than 3 and 3 is smaller than 7. So we can tell that this fraction is an improper fraction.
Correct. Correct. Okay.
So we have to write by this type only, like this only.
Yes,
we have
yes.
written.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Next one, fast. Who will try the next last question? This is of today's session.
So I
No.
will only try.
Okay, fine. 5 by 8.
5 by 8, it is reciprocal is 8 by 5, which is an improper fraction again, because 8 is greater than 5.
So again, it is improper fraction.
Improper fraction.
Okay. Question number 7 and question number 8. Remaining part is homework to you. Okay. It is very easy. Question number 8 में
Okay,
आपको
sir.
डिवीजन ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करना है और
Yes,
यहाँ
sir.
पे फ्रैक्शन कौन सा बन रहा है वो आपको चेक करना है. इम्प्रॉपर, प्रॉपर, दैट्स इट. ओके. Question number 7 and question number 8 remaining
Yes.
part is homework to you. You will solve it in CW. Okay. We will stop here. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye.